Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will share some newest image ID for the picture frames in Grow a Garden 2. But first, in here you need to get the picture frame from the picture frame crate that you can get it that you can buy it from the prop shops. It costs 350,000. And then next just open the crate, and then in here you will receive a random picture frame size. In here I got this small one. Just place the picture frames at your garden, and then next just tap on this edit, and then in here for the first ID you can enter this ID to get this one piece picture, the picture of Luffy like this. And then next for the next ID, I have this ID. You can get this cute viral meme like this. And then next for the last ID, I have this anime boy ID. This one, you can see it. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it for the new image ID in this Grow a Garden 2. Okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.